Boom boom babies. Hi kids. Welcome to Healthy Habits. Today, we're going to learn about the importance of brushing your teeth and how to do it properly. Are you ready to keep those teeth sparkling clean? Brushing your teeth is super important because it helps keep your mouth healthy. Brushing removes food particles and bacteria that can cause cavities and bad breath. Plus, it keeps your teeth shiny and your smile bright. Brushing your teeth is super important because it helps keep your mouth healthy. Brushing removes food particles and bacteria that can cause cavities and bad breath. Plus, it keeps your teeth shiny and your smile bright. Now, let's learn how to brush properly. Start by putting a pea-sized amount of toothpaste on your toothbrush. Hold your toothbrush at a 45-degree angle to your gums and use gentle circular motions. Make sure to brush the front, back, and top of each tooth. Don't forget to brush your tongue too, to keep your breath fresh. Brush for at least 2 minutes. You can use a timer or play a fun song to make sure you brush long enough. It's important to brush your teeth twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed. This helps keep your mouth clean all day and night. Make brushing fun. You can listen to your favorite song, do a little dance, or even brush along with a family member. The more fun you have, the more you'll look forward to brushing your teeth. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. We've got plenty more exciting adventures and learning experiences coming your way. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.